And I have soccer practice. What is it, Rocky?
I think he's trying to ask us something.
He's trying to ask us what's so cool about manufacturing.
Let's go to Fuller and find out.
It's our first clue.
The company started here in the Lehigh Valley by two gentlemen. One was named Colonel Fuller, and that's the Fuller family that also is responsible for the town of Fuller explosion. So he created a device that could safely transport powdered coal through a pipeline without danger of an explosion. So that's why the Fuller Canadian pump was created.
The Fuller Canyon punch streams that we manufacture, they start as a raw product as this form right here. So this is a particular shaft that was already fabricated and then machined down on the lathe. Once this is completed, then it'll go across the aisle to our grinder area. That's where the OD gets ground down to diameter. After the hard face is applied across the aisle, we bring it over here, and the OD will get turned down on a grinder down to the exact diameter we need the OD to turn. It's a clue. So the compressors that they build over there is hooked up to the compressor, and they spin the compressor, and they also take this unit here, this the oil lubrication. They hook up all these lines to the compressor. They also take a whole bunch of instrumentation to measure temperature and pressure, and then once it's running, all that airflow goes in through here into this piping manifold, and that piping there has instrumentation, and it measures the airflow of the compressor, which tells you if it passes or fails.
Rocky, I found out that Fuller's prosperous in the future is what's so cool about manufacturing.